Today, I will show you how to replace the USB board, as well as the SIM card slot and the bottom microphone, in the Samsung Galaxy S23. For a much better experience, enable the highest video quality at 60 frames per second. Make sure the phone is turned off. And then remove the SIM card tray. The back cover is firmly glued. Therefore, the phone should be heated. You can use a hairdryer. Red color indicates the place of gluing the housing. Pay attention to the adhesive tape under the flash. Watch out for the flex cables. Therefore, be careful. If this video is useful to you, please leave a like and comment. Remember that the back cover is glass. Do not pull too much. Pour a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. It will be easier to peel off the housing. You can use flexible opener for housing. Do not put the opener firmly inside, not to damage the camera. Phone unglued, we can move on. I recommend using a magnetic mat and put screws on it. Then you are sure they will be in the same place. Unscrew the motherboard cover. Under the gray sticker is an NFC antenna connected with black flex cable. Your screws are in perfect order. Unplug the NFC antenna cable. Do not insert the opener tightly to avoid damaging components on the motherboard. Disconnect the battery from the motherboard to make it easier to peel off. Preheat the tape beforehand and use isopropyl alcohol. Have a nice time together. Let me know where you're watching from. Unscrew the bottom speaker module. Don't worry if the screws from the module and the bottom speaker will get mixed up. They are all the same. This is a special hole into which you insert a flat screwdriver to properly disassemble the lower speaker module. Gently unclip flexible cables. Time to unscrew board with USB connector. Here is also a microphone and SIM card and memory card reader. The subboard is not glued. It is attached to these two latches. Start disassembly from the upper right corner because there are no delicate elements. Underneath is a SIM card reader. And next to the USB-C connector is main microphone. Clean old glue from the frame. I use a professional tool. You can easily do it manually. For example, a flat screwdriver. Use isopropyl alcohol or extraction gasoline for purification frames from old glue. Remove dust and install a new USB-C board. Make sure it has a seal, which will ensure water tightness. If you want to be a repair master, subscribe to this channel. Screw the subboard on the same 3 screws. Connect both flexible cables. Remember that you do not need to unplug the left display cable. Do only these steps that are indicated in this guide. Install the loudspeaker module. As you see, USB board replacement is not a difficult repair. You just have to be careful. Before gluing the back cover, connect the batteries and check if the phone is charging. Install the motherboard cover with the NFC antenna. Connect the flexible cable and screw it. I hope you like this charging port replacement guide. All the motherboard cover screws are the same. Very gently stretch with your fingers and glue the wireless charging coil. Remove the old adhesive tape. If you heat the back cover, the glue will go away easier. Shape a ball of adhesive tape. To remove the old glue, I use a professional glue remover. This significantly facilitates the work, but you can certainly manage without it. Clean the back cover thoroughly from the old glue. Use isopropyl alcohol to degrease the surface. If you want to keep your phone waterproof, you need to buy the original adhesive tape. Bend the protruding handles inside so you can put the adhesive tape inside the frame. Pay a little more and buy the original adhesive tape. The cheap substitutes look similar, but often have a much weaker adhesive. And after a few months, the back cover starts to peel off. Press gently with a flat screwdriver. Remove the protective layer slowly. Remove dust before final gluing. Make sure 50 times if there is any speck of dust inside, especially on camera lenses. Press not too much. From every side, if you want to be sure that the phone will be glued well by spring clamps. You can get them in any building, store. Put back the SIM card tray. You are the master. You have just repaired your phone and professionally replaced the charging port in Samsung S23. Let me know how it went. Thanks for the time spent together. Important, please read before you start. Be careful. During the repair, remember that at every stage you have to stay calm and patient. It is better to do something 3 times slower than to damage your phone. Use plastic openers and do not overdo it with the amount of isopropyl alcohol. Do not drink this alcohol either. Control the force of pressure, pushing or pulling so as not to cause a sudden jerk and damage to the adjacent element. Device warranty. Please be aware that performing a self-repair may impact your device's manufacturer warranty. Damage caused during an incorrect repair attempt may not be covered. This repair is undertaken at your own risk. Water resistance. A crucial point for any Samsung S23 charging port repair, this procedure will compromise the original factory water-resistant seals. We do not recommend exposing your phone to water after this repair. Battery safety. Safety first. If you notice any signs of battery swelling, do not apply heat to the device. A swollen battery is a fire hazard. In this case, please seek professional cell phone repair services immediately.